Back with the Minutes SA Racing Project, and today I'll be talking about two things. Today I went to Racing Lab in Hayward, California. Purchased two things today. I bought the D2 coilovers. I paid for them full, but they won't come in for about 2 weeks, so I have to wait another 2 weeks and I'll get that. And when I do get them, I'll put out another video. I'll unbox them. I'll show you what they look like. I'll show you what's in there, what they come with, and the part number and everything for the car. And so expect that in about 2 weeks, another video. I also bought some HID headlights over there. These are pretty cool. Let's take a look at them. Here's what they look like. This part's gonna plug into the headlights, and then this will plug into the harness, and then you'll get a real bright light, white light. It also comes with this cover, so like a yellow tint, but I think I'm gonna go with the clear white. I like that look a little better. So let's go ahead and install these. Let's take a look at the stock first of all. Let me turn those on and see what they look like. Let's go take a look. So if you look right here, these are the stock headlights. They're kind of a yellowish color, but we want to get something like this, a look like this, where it's like a clear white. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug these, plug the new ones in, and let's see what they look like. Go ahead and turn those off. And here's the newer ones. Let's get those plugged in. There they are. So first of all, we're gonna unplug the harness. Harness is now unplugged. Now let's just take out the headlights. These are the stock headlights. And these are the newer ones. It's metal. It's made out of metal and has a little fan inside, built-in little fan to keep them cool. It's pretty cool. Before they used to come with like this big old box and a bunch of wires, and you know, there's made out of like some type of plastic, but these are really good quality. These are really nice. So let's plug these on in. Okay, so that part is secure, and then let's plug them on in. Let's say I think they go like this. And then let's tuck that in so it don't get in the way. And let's do the other side. Onto the other side. Again, let's unplug the harness. The harness is unplugged. Light is out. More light. Let's plug that in. That's the hard part's actually trying to figure out how to get line up the holes. There it goes. Let's turn those. Okay, that's in really good and tight. Now let's just plug in the harness back in. So that's plugged in. Nice and pretty tight. So let's go ahead and turn on the lights now and see what they look like. And those are the new HID headlights. Now you see that they're similar to this color. They're more white. They used to look like this, yellow. And then I'm pretty sure at night it looks a lot better. So further look. A lot nicer look. And if you're interested in buying them, it's called Autofill S8, and then when you can buy them, you just tell them what car you have, and then they'll look up what fits your car, and then you can buy them. Price wasn't too bad, so if you want to get them, head on to Racing Lab and you know, ask for these, and then get those. And then that's it for this video. Until our next video, most likely when we get the coilovers, I might get some little things here and there before then, but until next time, thanks for watching.